Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with Valorant's please close other Riot Games product before signing out issue. So in this video I'm going to show you two methods how you can do this. So the first method is just simply go to your Riot client by just simply going to start menu and search for client and open Riot client. And for some reason if you are unable to find a Riot client, just simply right click on your Valorant shortcut, then click on open file location, then just simply double click on Riot client services, then open it, and now just simply wait for a few seconds. And after you're in a Riot client launcher, just simply click on the person icon at the top right, then choose sign out. Now this was the first solution and the first method. Now let's proceed to the second method. So the second method that you have to do is just simply click Windows plus R on your keyboard and just simply type in app data over here, then just simply enter. Now after that, just simply go to local, and over here just simply search for Riot Games, then open Riot Games, then delete all the three folders, and don't worry, the moment you will open the game, the folder will be recreated again. So after doing that, the next thing that you have to do is just simply go to your search icon and search for control panel, then open control panel, then go to uninstall a program. Now search for Riot Vanguard, which is over here, and just simply uninstall it, then click on yes, and within a few seconds it should be uninstalled. So as you can see, it has been uninstalled now. And now what you have to do is just simply restart your computer. After the restart, just simply open your Valorant. And by then, the Riot Vanguard should be downloaded. And after that, you should never face the issue again. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.